Alright guys, today we're replacing a screen on a MacBook Air A1932. There goes the crack line all the way across. Alright, so we got the new screen in. We're going to first take a look at it, make sure it's not damaged before we dismantle the computer. Alright, everything looks good, put it aside. So now we're just going to remove the cover from underneath the laptop. Alright, take out all them screws. Alright, guys, usually you want to disconnect the battery before you do any kind of work in any kind of device or anything. But the battery on this is dead, so I have to disconnect the battery. Alright, it's dead. Alright, so here we're just removing all the screws from that little plastic thing that protects the ribbon and everything. Alright, that's off. I'm just going to remove the old broken screen. There it is. So now we're putting in the new screen. You got to open the hinges, play with it until you get the snapping on the computer. It can be tricky, so you just got to play with it. Alright, I got it in, so we're just going to put the screws in, tighten the screen down, and just slowly put things back together. But before you put everything back together 100%, you want to make sure that the screen works. I already tested, it's not in the video, just to make sure it works. But yeah, so now I'm just putting everything back together. But you always want to dry fit first before you put everything back together. Always practice that. Alright. And there are like 4 or 5 different kind of screws in here, so you have to have a good tool set to have the different sizes and types of screws, okay? And they're very small. Very small. Alright, so we're just putting the screen back, everything together, covering back the bottom of the laptop. Alright, and then once we finish tightening everything, we're gonna plug the charger in, turn the computer on, and hope for the best. Guys, if you like what you're seeing, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, everything. You know, I need the engagement, man. If you really love what I do, you like the contents, just show your support by sharing and liking and leaving a comment. Alright, so here we are, turn the computer on. We got the Apple logo, good to go. Thanks again, guys, for watching. And again, I can't thank you enough for subscribing, for those who subscribe and leaving a comment. Again, thanks for watching. Peace.